It's been like a month about the truck honking, so I'm gonna do it since it's part 3. Fucking cold. No having them flip me off. Because 3 years ago, a guy in a 3 dump truck, when I tried to get it to honk, he flipped me off. Oh shit! Don't flip me off. Fuck! Him. What the hell, truck driver? What the hell? What the hell is your problem? Look at that. That nigger told me that horn doesn't fucking work. That nigger. What is that? He finally honked at me. Like, what the fuck is this thing? What the fuck? Probably scared the shit out of me because I'll probably be shitting my fucking pants. Since I can't be staying here too long with that fucking dog because it's way too fucking cold to be in that fucking house. I'm gonna be fucking sick if I don't be back in that fucking side. Fuck. Fucking cold.